Hello, friends. Welcome to day one of Vlogmas. I encourage you to subscribe and come along this journey and see into our day-to-day lives. This morning I started off with coffee before church. After, I played with Obi most of the day. He even was being a little stinker and got in trouble. I know, shocking to most of you. We went to my mom's and then came home, played outside for a second and made dinner. I prepped for the work week. Enjoy the rest of the day and thanks so much again for watching.
Really? Really? Really?
Special to me. It was the first wage I ever earned.
Ma, they paid you in rocks?
Hey, don't knock it.
What do you think, mister?
Some parts are so good, too, this will get you a feeling.
Come on. Good boy. Can I help you?